Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Azinawawi from UTHM, and today we will cover a new tutorial about Solidworks assembly, and we will try to assemble the flywheel press. Okay, let me show you. Let's go. So this is the flywheel press from the tutorial of Solidworks. So we'll try to assemble this product in Solidworks. Okay, so the files for the parts can be downloaded from the link that I will give in the description, okay, of this video. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the first part, okay, that we need to call from the list is the main body. This is the main body. Okay, the main body is the base part. Okay, meaning that it will be fixed. Okay, the base part. Okay, this is the main body. Okay, it is okay. I can have the full picture. Okay, this is the main body, something like this. It is the base part, and it will be fixed. And we will call this part. We will take it out the first one, be that in the base part, and every other parts will go to this part. Okay, this will be the main parts. Okay, so we need to go to Solidworks, and then we need to create a new assembly file. Okay, assembly. Okay, so we use another method. Okay, so the first part is the main body, so we need to call the main body first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the right side of the screen and go to the file explorer. Okay, and then I'll try to find my, okay, this is the main body. Okay, you can see that this is the main body. Okay, so we're gonna drag that one first. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the main body, and we can see that because it is the first part that we drag it out, so it will be the fixed part. And okay, the rules is to drag the first part, so it will be the base part. Okay, the base part is the first one that we have to take it out. Okay, so settle. Okay, and the second part is the pressing part. Okay, pressing part is the second part that we will call, and this is the shape of this is how the pressing part looks like. So we will try to assemble the pressing part to the main body. Okay, so I will call the pressing part. Okay, so I'm gonna go like before, just like before, to the file explorer, and then try to call the pressing part. Okay, this is the pressing part. Yeah, this one. Okay, so we're gonna call that one out. So okay, nice. Okay, we have both now. Okay, so from the design we can see that okay, this side, okay, this surface will touch this surface. Okay, and then this surface, this one will touch this one. Okay, and then the third bits is we're gonna use the whole of the bowl to act as our the third bits. Okay, so the first bit will be the coincident bits, meaning that this surface will touch this surface. Okay, so we're gonna start to do the bits. So what you need to do next is we need to go to the assembly tab, and then go to the bit icon, choose the bit icon. Okay, choose, and then we're gonna choose our first surface, which is this surface. Okay, and then I need to rotate everything a bit, and then I need to choose this one. Okay, nice. So it already start to follow. Okay, you can see that. Okay, it is. And Solidworks will choose coincident, okay, for these two surface, and we are okay with that. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, and then we need to click on the green tick here, meaning that we agree. Okay, so this is the first mate. So the second mate is also coincident mate, but between this face, okay, this face and this face here. Okay, nicely done. Okay, rotate a bit, and then I click the green arrow here. Okay, meaning I agree with that. Okay, you can see that. and I'll try to move the pressing part. Okay, it still can be moved, and it is locked into two axis, and it can be moved on the Z axis. So we need another mate to lock this thing to make sure that it will not be moved like this. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we will use the coincident mate to lock between this hole and then to this hole. Okay, so what we're going to do, we just choose this side of the hole, okay, the inside of the hole, like, okay, the circular surface. Okay, and then next one is this one. Okay, and then voila. Okay, it goes to like what we wanted, and then we need to click on the green tick here. Okay, meaning that we agree. So everything is good, then we go with the final thing on the okay, so finish for that one, and try to move the pressing part using your mouse, so it cannot be moved, meaning that the assembly is okay. Okay, so next, okay, after the pressing part, the next part is the wait a second. Okay, the next part is the coupling. Okay, the coupling looks like this. This is the coupling. Okay, the coupling will be assembled to the base part, okay, using three mates. So the first mate is the coincident mate here. Okay, the second one is here. Coincident mate between these two holes, this one and this one. Okay, and the third one is the distant mate. It will will be floating on the top of the base part with 100 mm distance. Okay, so let's do it. So go to Solidworks, and then go to the File Explorer, okay, at the right side of the Solidworks, and try to find the coupling. Okay, this is the coupling. Okay, so drag the coupling out like that. Okay, we got that. And then we need to start the mate. So what we're gonna do is we need to go to the mate tab, and then to the mate assembly, mate icon, just like before, and then click on that one. And then first we're gonna choose this side, inside of the hole. Okay, and then it's inside of this hole. So okay, nice, go, and then we're gonna click, okay, and the green tick. Okay, and try to drag this thing up here. Okay, use your mouse, and then the next bit is this hole and then this hole. So click on the inside of that hole, and then on the inside of this hole. So you can see that you're gonna choose concentric mate, okay, which is good, and then click here on the green arrow. Okay, nice. So try to move everything. Okay, so it is good because you can see that it is locked into, it only can move in the Z direction, in the Y axis. Okay, so X and Z is already locked, which is good. Okay, so to make it lock on the Y axis, we need to do the distance mate between this side, okay, this surface, and this one. Okay, so when we choose the both surface, SolidWorks will suggest the coincident, but we will not need that. We need the distance mate here, down here. We need this one. Okay, and the distance is 100. Okay, so let's do it. Choose this one and set the distance as 100. Okay, just type 100 over there and click OK. Okay, everything is good. So we are agreed with that. So just click on the green tick. Okay, and then the last one, we need that we accept everything. Okay, so try to move the coupling. Okay, it cannot be moved. Very nice. Okay, so the next part is the adjustable rod. Okay, and we have two sides of the rod, which is the long and short. So we're gonna call the long adjustable rod first. Okay, we're gonna call that one first, the long first. Okay, as mentioned here, and then it will be assembled like this. And we're gonna use two mates. Okay, first is the coincident mates. The second one is the distant mates. so it will have a distance about 20 mm between the rod and then the coupling. Okay, so go to Solidworks and try to call out the adjustable rod just like before. Go to File Explorer. Okay, and this is the the first one is the adjustable rod here. Okay, click on that one, take it out, and we need to it wants us to choose whether it is long or short, but the first one is long based on the guide before. Long. Okay, this is the part. So the first bit, you need to name the bit just like before. You need to go to assembly tab and then go to bit icon. Okay, so go to that one and then gonna choose the circular part of the rod and then the inside of the hole. So I look like that. Very nice. Okay, don't forget to click the green tick. Okay, and then the next one is this one, and this surface and this surface, but it has the distance about 20 mm. So choose this one and then choose this one. Okay, it will choose coincident, but we don't want that. Okay, we don't want coincident, so we're gonna choose the distance and we're gonna set the distance as 20 mm. Enter. Okay, right, 20 mm. Nice. So we're gonna go click on the OK and then done. OK, so good, it's locked. Very nice. So the next one is the adjustable rod, but it is the shorter one, the short one. Okay, adjustable rod, and short. Okay, adjustable, short. Okay, so it has the same almost the same sequence as before. So try to call it out. Okay, File Explorer, don't forget that. File Explorer, and then adjustable rod. Okay, this one. Okay, drag it out, put it here, but this time we're gonna choose the short rod. Okay, nice. And then just like before, go to the assembly tab and then go to the main icon. Okay, click and choose the circular surface. Okay, I don't know how. And then this one, the inside of the hole. Wait, something wrong again. Clear selection. So where's the rod? Okay, once again. Okay, one more time. So choose mate. Okay, don't forget choose mate. Okay, and then this side, and then inside of the hole. Okay, nice. Okay, nicely done. Okay, don't forget to click OK. Okay, next is the distance made between this part and this part. Okay, so click on that one and then click on this one. So the one is coincident. Okay, but this is what we want, the distance, and the distance should be 20. So click on this one and set distance as 20. Okay, nice. And then click OK. Okay, and then one more time. Okay, so finish with that one. Congratulations. Finish with that one. Okay, so the next part is the next one is the bowl one, and we're gonna need about six pieces of the bowl. Okay, 6 pieces here of the bowl, and the bowl will go inside each hole at the side of the pressing part. Okay, so go back to Solidworks and try and go to the File Explorer here and try to find the bolt. This is the bolt one, this one. Okay, very nice. So just take one bolt at first. Okay, and then we try to copy the bolt using the copy function. So to do the copy function, one finger should be on the control button of your keyboard. Hold that one, and then you need to go to the bowl here and then try hold the left button on your mouse and try to drag it out. Okay, one, and do the same thing for the left one. Okay, and once again hold the control button and hold the left part of the mouse. Okay, do it again for that one. Okay, control button hold, and then left button hold. Okay, nice. Control button. Okay, voila. That's how we do it. Okay, now we have about 6 ball, but to assemble, to put the ball inside the hole is quite, you know, it needs a lot of time to get the job done. So I'm going to show you how you can use smart mates. Smart mates, yeah. Okay, smart mate is quite it is quite tricky at first, but after a couple time of trial, I think you should be okay with that. Okay, so to do it, okay, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, you need to concentrate. Okay, first try to zoom into the ball, and we use the color of the ball as our reference. The color is, you can see that is one line here. This is the color, not this part. This is the circular, the circular surface. But we gonna use this one, the color of the ball. Okay, so one hand should be on the alternate button on your keyboard. Okay, and click on the alternate button and hold. Okay, hold the alternate button and go to the color. Okay, using your mouse. Okay, just bring it over there. Okay, until the color is in, change the color to the orange color, and then make sure that your hand is still on the alternate button, and then your other hand should be on the right button of your mouse. Hold that one, and you can see that the ball is changing, the visibility of the ball is changing. Okay, meaning that everything is in the right direction. So then you need to zoom out using the roller of the mouse. Okay, you can see the hole, then bring the ball to the hole like that. Okay, I bring the ball to the hole until it's gonna be like this. Let me show you. And once everything is in position, just release everything. Voila. So that is smart mates. Okay, once again, one more time. Okay, go to the ball and one finger on the alternate button, hold, and then go near to the collar of the nuts, of the ball, and then one finger hold the left button of the mouse and drag everything, zoom out using the roller of the mouse. Okay, voila. Okay, that's how. Okay, one more time. So alternate, and then hold the mouse and zoom in and zoom out. Okay, bring to the hole and voila. Okay, so take your time. Okay, it will be hard at first, but it will be super useful for you. Okay, one more time here. Alternate, bring everything, and bring everything here. Voila. It is fun. Okay, you should try. Okay, bring to the color. Okay, one finger on the alternate, bring the mouse, and then hold the left mouse button, and then bring over here. Voila, nice. Okay, the last one. Okay, put it like that. Okay, sorry, and then okay, like that. Okay, so that is how you do it. Okay, the smart mates. So now we already finished the lower body of the flywheel press. So after this, I'm gonna make another video for you to assemble the upper body. Okay, we're gonna make another assembly, and we'll bring the assembly inside this file as the sub assembly. Okay, so before that, we need to save this assembly. Okay, how to save? Just go here to file. Okay, up here to file. Okay, icon, and then just click save. Okay, just like regular things, save. Okay, so rebuild set equipment, yes. Okay, and save anywhere that you think good for you. Okay, and you click save. So finish with that one. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna do another video for us to assemble the okay, not this one, to assemble this one, the other part of the flywheel press. We're gonna assemble this part in the other file, and then we're gonna bring to the main assembly. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.